Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel repeat or recurring payments on Cash App. Whether it's a subscription to no longer use, an automatic transfer you don't mean to set up, or just a duplicate cards, this step-by-step guide will help you to take back control of your money. Let's get into. First, when exactly counts as a repeat payment on Cash App? You might be dealing with one of these. First, recurring subscriptions like streaming service or membership, or auto add cash set up from your link bank, or scheduled transfer of deposits, or duplicate transaction from glitch or multiple taps. First, how to cancel a recurring payment from the mobile app. First, open the Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap support. From there, select something else. Next, go to account settings and tap on pause or cancel recurring payments. Now choose the recurring payments you want to stop. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and cancel. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.